In this video, I will share a very easy ICT turtle soup strategy with a complete trading plan so you can start making consistent profits right away and predict the market with an 84% win rate and accuracy. If you don't have enough attention span to watch this video till the end, then trading is not for you. I will be sharing rules to trade this strategy, live market examples, and a couple of gems at the end, so make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss anything important. First of all, you have to come to your charts at 2 a.m. and mark the Asian session's high and low on the 15-minute time frame. The Asian session is from 8 p.m. to 2 a.m., so mark out the session's high and low created during the Asian session. Remember, all of these times are in New York local time, so make sure to calibrate your TradingView chart to Eastern Standard Time. We have to see the price take out the swing low first, which will set our bias for the day. Then, we have to wait for the price to take out a swing high as well to confirm that we have trapped buyers and sellers on the wrong sides of the market. Afterward, we need to see a market structure shift when the price closes above the recent factual swing low that created the new low, and then take a trade on a fair value gap or order block, or whatever your favorite entry pattern is. The stop loss will be beyond the recent swing point, and for the profit target, we will be targeting the opposing swing. If we don't get a market structure shift, then we can also wait for a double sweep pattern where the market once again takes out the swing low that was created and then displaces to the opposite side. If we flip the chart and look at the bullish example, we first have to take out the Asian high, and then we have to take out the Asian low. We take our entry on a fair value gap after the market structure shift and target this buy-side liquidity that we engineered. Which liquidity is taken first will determine our bias. If we take the high first, then our bias will be bullish. But if we take out the Asian swing low first, then I will be bearish. Before we look at examples, this strategy works on all pairs and assets including Forex, gold, and crypto, but I have personally seen great results on indices. For an insanely high win rate and better results, I will suggest you stick to the Nasdaq 100 or any other indices. Example 1. We will mark the start and the end of the Asian session, and once the 2 a.m. candle closes, we will then mark its high and low on a 15-minute time frame. You can also use this indicator called FXN Asian Session Range. It will mark out an Asian session for you automatically. Make sure to disable the labels and lines option in the indicator settings so it doesn't clutter your charts. You can see we first took out the Asian swing low, so we will have a bearish bias for the rest of the day. Now we have to wait for the swing high to be taken out. Here, after taking out the swing high around the New York PM session, we will either wait for the market structure shift or a double sweep after price sweeps this low again. Price swept this low again, taking out the buy stops, and we also got displacement. We will take our entry at the overlap of this level with our double sweep, with a stop loss above this recent swing high, and targeting the opposing swing low, or you can also target a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio if you prefer. Price triggered us into the trade and went straight to our take profit level with little to no drawdown, making us around $2,500 within a few candles. Jumping to our next example, let's mark out the Asian session's high and low. Price took out the Asian range's low, so our bias for the day will be bearish. Now I will wait for the high to be taken out before we move to our next step. Here, we took out the Asian high as well. Now I will wait for a market structure shift or a double sweep. Price gave us a double sweep, so now I want the price to close below this overlapping Asian high. After closing below the overlap of the Asian high, I will place a limit order at that level, with a stop loss above the recent swing high, and target the Asian session's low, which gives us a 2.65 RR. Let's play the price ahead and see how it goes. Price triggered us into the trade almost immediately, and then the price melted to our take profit level and even continued further before bouncing off this order block. You can see it could have given us a maximum of a 6 RR trade. Depending on your trade management, you could have trailed your stop loss for insane profits. Before moving forward to our next example, if you want to take a shortcut to profitability, then apply for the Trading Titan Blueprint by checking out the first link in the description. I will also guide you personally to ensure that you achieve your trading dream. Moving ahead to our next example, as soon as the Asian session ends at 2 a.m., we will mark the Asian sessions range high and low. Let's play the price ahead and wait for the liquidity sweep. I think the Asian low is most likely to be swept as we are already close to it. We took out the Asian session low, so once again, our bias will be bearish. Now, let's wait for the high to be taken out. Once the high is also out of the way, we want to see either a market structure shift when the price has a candle closure below this recent swing low, or if we get a double sweep pattern. We got the high swept again, so I am now waiting for the price to close below the overlap of the Asian range high. After the price closes below the overlap, I will place a limit order at that level, with a stop loss above the recent swing high, and target the Asian sessions low, which is giving us a 2.65 RR. Let's play the price ahead and see how it goes. Price triggered us into the trade and then absolutely melted to our take profit level and even continued further. Let's summarize the turtle soup trading plan. First, you have to come to your charts at 2 a.m. New York local time and mark out the high and low on a 15-minute time frame created during the Asian session, which is from 8 p.m. to 2 a.m. Now, we will wait for either the high or low to be swept. Whichever side is swept first will be our bias and the side where we will be taking the trade. Now, wait for the opposing liquidity to be taken out as well. After that happens, look for a market structure shift or a double sweep pattern. Enter on a fair value gap or the overlap of the Asian ranges high or low. Stop loss beyond the swing point, and we will aim for a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio or the opposing Asian swing point. If this video gets 160 likes, then I will create a complete ICT course covering A to Z concepts for free. PDF file for this strategy will be in our free Telegram channel. Now it's time for you to backtest this strategy and share your results. Don't forget to check out the Trading Titan blueprint before it's closed forever. See you very soon. Peace.